Using evidence in academic writing. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into the world of academic writing. Specifically, we'll be discussing a vital component of developing paragraphs, using examples and evidence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to strengthen your arguments and make your writing more persuasive. Every strong argument relies on evidence. Imagine you're a detective making a case. You wouldn't simply say someone is guilty, you'd provide proof, right? In academic writing, your claims or arguments are similar to cases, and examples and evidence are your proof. There are various types of evidence you can use. 1. Statistical evidence. This involves numbers, percentages, and data. For instance, according to a 2020 survey, 85% of students find visual learning more effective. 2. Anecdotal evidence. Personal stories or experiences. Though less authoritative than other types, they can be compelling. For example, one of my friends struggled with traditional learning methods but thrived when introduced to visual techniques. 3. Expert testimony. Quotations or paraphrased content from recognized experts in the field. Dr. Smith, a renowned education specialist, argues that visual learning can enhance retention. 4. Historical evidence. Referring to events from the past to support your claim. Historically, societies with a strong emphasis on visual arts have demonstrated a unique approach to knowledge transmission. 5. Comparative evidence. Drawing comparisons between different situations, groups, or events. In countries A and B, where visual learning is prioritized, students tend to perform better in recall tests compared to countries X and Y. Now, just having evidence isn't enough. Here's how you can use it effectively. 1. Stay relevant. Ensure your evidence directly supports your claim. Irrelevant evidence can confuse readers. 2. Cite sources. Always mention where you've got your data from. This adds credibility to your writing. 3. Explain the evidence. Don't just state the evidence. Explain its significance and how it supports your claim. 4. Vary your evidence. Use different types of evidence to keep your writing rich and engaging. 5. Be accurate. Ensure that your evidence is up to date and accurate. Misleading evidence can harm your credibility. So there you have it. Evidence is the backbone of strong academic writing. Just as a building needs a solid foundation, your arguments need robust support. By incorporating varied and relevant evidence, you not only strengthen your points but also make your writing more convincing. Happy writing, and until next time, keep learning and growing.